Hello and welcome to this video on surprising facts about arrays in C. I'm going to show you practically some of the surprising facts about arrays. Okay, let's go to code blocks. So now if I say int array of 10, okay, so this is the first case what I'm showing you. Now I have an array which can hold 10 integers. Okay, now what happens if I say array of 15 is equal to 20? Okay, and I will say array of 8 is equal to 25. Will it throw an error in the second case? I think most of you think that compiler will throw an error, but it will not throw an error. I will show you this. Yes, it's executed and there are no errors. Okay, so there are no errors. So you can see no errors. But why did it work? We have declared an array of only which can hold 10 integers, but I am storing it in the 15th location. What if I print? Will it throw an error when I print? Let's see. %d, then I will \n. I'll first print array of 8. Okay, and then I will also print array of 15 for you. Will it work? Will it throw an error this time? Let's see. It will not throw error now also. See, you can see array of 8 is 25, array of 8 is 25 and array of 15 is 20. Why did it work? It is working successfully. But is it a good programming? It is definitely not a good programming practice. You are trying to overflow the array. Okay, you are trying to overflow the array, which is not a good programming. So it might work now, it might work tomorrow, but it can fail any time. So here your program is very small, it might work and give you the correct result, but it can fail anytime. So this is a very dangerous programming. You should never try to overflow the array. And this is a surprising fact of array that compiler will not catch if you overflow the array. So this is one of the interesting thing about the arrays. Some more facts about the arrays are that the size of the array is fixed before the runtime. You cannot decide the size of the array during the runtime or when you compile and execute the code. That time you cannot decide what should be the size of the array. There is no way to check the end of the array. Now you have seen just in this example. Okay, even though you have exceeded the size of the array, still you getting the right result. But you may not get the right result all the time. It can fail anytime. Okay. So another interesting thing about arrays is they can hold only similar data elements. Either it can hold integers or only floats or only characters. And it is static in nature. So there is a lot of memory wastage. Now if suppose I have declared here I have declared array of 10, but I am using only 2 elements. Okay, if I use only 2 elements, then the remaining memory will be wasted. Okay, and now I'm going to show you another surprising case of array. Let's say I say here in and I paste n over here. Okay, so I mention n here. Will it work? Let me see. It is going to work. It will not throw any error, but it is not a good programming practice. Okay, it's not going to throw you any error. As you can see, it's not throwing any error, but it is not a good program. Never try to do this. Never try to do this. This is not a good programming. Okay, compiler will not catch this error. Okay, and what about if I do this inside the main? Will it work? Again, it works. It will not throw any error, but your program may fail anytime. Okay, so never try to do this. Or some people I have seen doing something like this. They declare n and then they scan n from the user, percentage d slash ampersand of n. Now will it work? This time also you can see the compiler did not give any error. So this is not a good programming practice. Okay, never try to do this. Some people also I have seen doing something like this. Okay, so it will not throw any error, but it is not a good programming practice. I hope you got my point. But these are some of the surprising facts about. Thank you so much for watching this.